Can you guess the alphabet before the timer runs out? Let's find out.
Guess the alphabet. A. It's A. Guess the alphabet. B. It's B. Guess the alphabet. C. It's C. Guess the alphabet. D. It's D. Guess the alphabet. E. It's E. Guess the alphabet. F. It's F. A B C D. A B C D. E F. E and F. Hello, I am A. Hello, I am B. Hello, I am C. Hello, I am D. Hello, I am E. Hello, I am F.